Hello. This is White Collar Forex, the home of professional trading, and I'm back with a new video, guys. It's been a while. First of all, Happy New Year to you guys, and I hope you guys are gonna have a very profitable 2022. And yeah, welcome back to my channel, and let's hope we get to grow this channel and grow this family. So basically today, guys, this is another segment of my series that will be just going into my strategy. So in today's video, I will be basically going through the supply and demand part, right, of my strategy. It's going to be a fairly short video, mainly because I feel like there's a lot of sources where you can learn basic supply and demand. So I won't be, going into detail on zones and all that. But if you do want to learn more about spotting zones and whatnot, you can obviously contact me. I'll leave details below and links to my groups and all that. So before I get into zones and all that, I just want to recap on a trade that I took last year. So I took a Euro USD trade last year. As you can see, this is the monthly, and as you can see, I've been holding the trade for 2 months, I think, because I opened the trade on the 9th of November 2021. So that's like, yeah, two months, yeah. So basically, yeah, it's almost 3 months, yeah. Right, so 2 months actually, guys, sorry. So yeah, I've been holding that sell, and I took the sell based on the monthly time frame. As you can see, I entered at, okay, no, I'm lying. I did not enter at the monthly zone. I actually entered based on, I think it was a 4-hour zone, right? This was where I entered, guys. I entered based on that zone here. You can see it was tested, and from there price shot all the way down. As you can see, went down, right? So I took it based on this 4-hour zone right there, and I just kept on holding, and I'm still holding now. So I will be exiting soon, and the reason being that price just tested this huge zone here. Let me make it a different color so we don't get confused. Price just tested this huge green zone, and it's a monthly zone. So I scroll down to the daily to see some price action, right? So I'll basically be exiting if price breaks this structure here at the let me change that color also. When price breaks that, let's make it red. I'll only be exiting if price manages to break that red arrow. That's previous structure. If price breaks that area right there with a strong move upwards, then I know that the institutions and the banks and the big boys want to take price higher now. We are in an uptrend now. So what I'll be looking at is for price to do that, and then possibly come back to test this gray zone here, right? So basically that's what I just wanted to recap on before we get into zones, right? My profit was 3,300 from 702. So that's how much I was able to grow the account. So that's well over 1 to 3, which is what other people will tell you to target. They'll tell you to target 1 to 3 in Forex. And with this strategy, you're able to target, great risk to reward. For example, you can even get a risk reward of 20 even. So what that means basically is you can risk 100 rand, right, to make 2,000 rand, or you can risk 500 rand. Okay, let's say the strategy allows you to get a risk reward of 1 to 10. That means you can risk 500 rand to make 5,000 rand, right? So that's how powerful this strategy is once you master it, right? So let's get back into the charts, guys. Basically, the kind of zones that I trade rally base drop zones. I trade drop base rally zones. I trade drop base drop. I trade rally base rally zones, right? So let me show you a few examples of those kind of zones, right? For example, the zone that I used to enter this cell, right? This was a rally base, right? Price rallied, base dropped, right? And then price tested. So that's a rally base drop type of zone, right? Those happen in, well, you trade those in a downtrend, right? So in an uptrend, you'll be basically trading job base rally zones that create a bullish structure. So you'll be waiting for price to give you higher lows, which are formed at the bases of the drop base rally type of zones, right? So let me look for an example of a drop base rally type of zone, right? Let me see. Just find one quickly, guys. Like I said, those happen in uptrends. Okay, I'm not really finding one here, but okay, guys, I'm not finding a good one here, but basically it's just the opposite of this one here, right? So this one is a bearish type of zone, right? So what other type of bearish zone can you get? You can get drop base drops, right? Let me try and find a drop base drop. I'll find one here. Okay, here's one. A drop base drop zone here. So basically it'll be large candles dropping like it says, and then there'll be a base, which is basically a pause, right? And then large candles drop again on the other end, and then you just wait for price to retest that zone. It's the same thing with the bullish version of it. As you can see here, this gray area, right? If price does what I expect it to do, it'll rally up with a very strong move. I'm taking out previous structure and crossing our EMAs, and then it'll come back to test this zone. This zone is a rally base rally type of zone. So basically, price goes up with a strong bullish candle, and then there's a pause, and then it rallies again up, and then price just comes to test that, right? So that's the bullish version of a drop base drop, which is a rally base rally type of zone. So guys, the basis the basic building blocks of zones for me is price structure, right? In order for you to get a rally, a rally base drop, you need to get a lower high, right? Which is formed by the rally base drop. So you look for that in a downtrend, and in an uptrend, you'll be basically looking for rally zones or drop base rally, which form when price gives us higher lows. That's just how I look at zones. They depend highly on price structure and impulse and corrections. So that's what I always say about my strategy. Everything is interconnected. Everything is conjoined. You don't use one element without the other, and all those elements work together. There's no clashing between the two elements. Between each of the elements. So guys, this is going to be a very short video, like I said. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to spot zones, high quality zones, and all of that, obviously you can hit me up on Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram. My Instagram is whitecollar_fx. WhatsApp, I'll leave my details to my free links. Telegram, I'll leave links to my testimonials group, my free group, and all that. And don't forget to watch the previous videos so that all this makes sense to you, because like I said, this is a series of looking at how my strategy works. So it'll be best for you to watch the previous videos that I made. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like my content. Also, do hit me up if you need any mentorship. You can hit me up on WhatsApp or Telegram. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Till next time, this is White Collar Forex, the home of professional trading. I'm out.